So, muna ni mo mga bagong tricks guys. Pwede na nimo siya hungitan. But you have to careful with your fingertips. Does your fingertips is still okay or not? Ow. Okay pa dahil. I-use din niya guys kaya para just ay what I have done. I just tell Uni that you know how to what already. Why you make it tago? Kamo girls di yun mo masabtan ha. Okay pa kayo ta ato tapos mangluod dadayon ka. Hugot pati si Shrine. Guys kay pag wala kayo makausap sa mundo, kausapin nyo lang ako. Ito. Kausapin nyo lang ito. This is the newest track ever. Shrine is taking food from the humanity. What? What humanity? Actually guys, di yun siya magpahikap o ingon ani or di yun siya magkuan kay nonchalant pa ni siya no. Di yun siya magpa-hold sa yung food or what. Kay mutago yun na siya. From today, he want you to feed you like that one without hesitations and without further ado. Kay grabe siya kay kagutso. Bakit na naman? Kay grabe kay siya kagutom and then he don't care if you want you to value his face or his techniques for eating. Kay kailangan jud niya ang tulong. Inyong tulong. You know tulong guys. Tulong here is the word tulong. It's still same one in our tulong and the Philippines. So here also our Bahasa language still tulong is still same tulong and then it's up to you how you gonna pronounce it. If you are OA or not. If you are OA, just like mana mo gud guys mo siya mohinga ba kada ka kuan you have to eat kay our veggies not just flesh, so you better tell them that you know how to eat and you know how to take food from your kaka. Now so tama, yes, we have to make it longer a bit so that people will like our videos. Kay ang ato ang videos kung kisa tong nag-upload maura po'y mo tan-aw. Hey! Tahanan mo ako, di magbabago yun. With the phrase singing intonations. Gumito din siya guys. Don't touch his hand for the following what? No, he cannot. What the so big bites is not available. So you better what? Okay, buy that. Bakit hadlok na you? He don't ready guys. So this one guys is busog na already this one. So he won't, don't bother anyway na. Okay, still can. Okay, I help you until you make it busog. And then wala tayong gagawin. Ngayon. Maghungit-hungit lang tayo. Okay? But you have to make it bantay-bantay your fingers lah. Guys. Because so nice one, right? Yeah. This why you talk you? Wala siya guys. Wala siya ngipon pero naa siya murag gilagid sa pangalan na mo siya matatalas na crunch gani guys mo siya ka ng pustiso. Ay! Ginoo ko. Tabang mga langit. Ayun rin yung siya katawid guys. Sorry. You don't make it lood. Or else I don't want to hungit you ah. Guys, kung mabot ang panahon na no. Na nganong nabuang ta guys. Balikan na lang ninyo ang atong mga video guys ngay. Okay, ang ato ramong kastroya guys kay this one. Oh. And then wala na ho tayo masasabi. Kasi magkakapi na ako guys. Sumura to siya. Anyong Shrine. Balak sa buhay mo Shrine. Ah!